Hey, this is Adam. Welcome to Rare Classic Cars. Look what we have here. Just a quick preview of a new arrival. This is a 1977 Chevrolet Impala 9C1. Yes, that's right, a 9C1 with 8,000 miles on it. 8,000 miles. This was a detective's car, and it obviously didn't get used much, but wow, is this something that's really cool and special. So we'll do a more detailed review later. I'm going to give you a quick walk around now just so you can take a look at it. But stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Well, look here. For those who are fans of the box era Caprices and fans of the channel, this is a 77 Impala 9C1 police vehicle. It was a Chicago Transit Authority detective's car, and the Transit Authority operates the train system, so hence why this car is in such good shape and has so few miles. It has 8,200 miles on it, I believe. .350 4-barrel turbo hydromatic 350 transmission. This car is also the car that was featured in Edwin Sano's Chevrolet Police Cars book. But just a great looking box era Impala. And the color, I think, is super cool. Now, yes, some of you in my Caprice video were saying, these creases, they toned them down in 1980. Yes, they did. But even look at a 1980 Caprice compared to a 1985. And look at a 77 compared to a 79. You'll see these creases are not as sharp as they were when things started because they made so many of these vehicles. We'll take a quick look inside here at the bench seat. Pretty bare bones car otherwise. AM radio, no air. Does have a rear defogger. Never lettered, stickered. No divider bar. Just a cool ride. So we'll do a detailed review of this one coming up as well. And you can tell it's a police vehicle in a few ways. It has the 120 mile an hour speedometer as opposed to the 85 mile an hour speedometer that was mandated. And big stabilizer bar in the rear. And also a big one in the front. Really beefy for the time. These cars were able to pull 0.8 Gs on the skid pad, which for the era was really just shocking, to be honest. So stay tuned for more on this vehicle. I'll just start it up here. Whisper quiet exhaust. Yes, the bumper filler is cracked. If anybody knows where to get one of those, let me know. Still has the original exhaust, muffler, and everything on it. And wonderful quality for there. Look at the trunk gap here. And look at it over here. Unbelievable, but that was how they made them. So, new arrival to review. Very quiet under hood. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this preview video of the 1977 Impala 9C1 with just 8,000 miles on it. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss the full review and road test. You can do so by clicking the circular icon of the 67 Buick Riviera at the top left, then hit the bell to make sure that you're notified of all my future videos, and check out some of the thumbnails at the bottom left and right for videos YouTube suggests for you. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, take care.